Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Blender 3D on Ubuntu 22.04. Log on as ROHIT user. Simply right-click on desktop, click Open in Terminal. Increase the font size of Terminal. Type sudo apt update. Press Enter. Type here ROHIT user password. Type clear. Let's close software updater. Type clear, to clear a screen. Press Enter. Type sudo apt install Blender -y. Press Enter. Now the Blender software is installed successfully. Now I am going to check Blender version. Type Blender -version. Press Enter. As you can see, Blender version is 3.0.1. Type Blender. Press Enter. Now the Blender software is open. Click Show Application. Click on Blender app. So viewers, in this video you can see how to install Blender 3D on Ubuntu 22.04.